Welcome back to Crypto Beta, the channel where we explore the intersection of technology and society. Today, we will be discussing the future of transportation and how technology is changing the way we travel. The transportation industry has been undergoing significant changes in recent years, with the development of new technologies such as electric cars, self-driving vehicles, and even flying cars. These technologies are not just changing the way we move from one place to another, but they are also impacting the environment, the economy, and our daily lives. Let's start by talking about electric cars. With the rise of concerns over climate change and air pollution, many people are turning to electric cars as a more environmentally friendly alternative to traditional gasoline-powered cars. Electric cars are powered by batteries and emit zero emissions, making them a cleaner option for the environment. But the benefits of electric cars go beyond the environment. They are also cheaper to operate and maintain than traditional cars, as they require less maintenance and have fewer parts that can break down. In addition, with the development of more advanced battery technology, electric cars are now able to travel longer distances on a single charge, making them a more practical option for longer trips. Another technology that is rapidly changing the transportation industry is self-driving vehicles. Self-driving cars use artificial intelligence and sensors to navigate the roads, making them a safer and more efficient option for transportation. They are also expected to reduce traffic congestion and increase the productivity of commuters. But self-driving cars are not without their challenges. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring their safety and reliability, as any malfunctions or errors could lead to serious accidents. In addition, there are concerns about the impact of self-driving cars on employment, as they could potentially replace human drivers in certain industries. Lastly, let's talk about the potential of flying cars. While flying cars may seem like something out of a sci-fi movie, they are already being developed by companies such as Uber and Airbus. Flying cars have the potential to significantly reduce travel times and improve transportation in congested urban areas. However, there are many technical, safety, and regulatory challenges that need to be addressed before they become a reality. In conclusion, the future of transportation is exciting and full of possibilities. Electric cars, self-driving vehicles, and flying cars are just a few examples of the technologies that are changing the way we travel. While there are still many challenges that need to be addressed, the potential benefits of these technologies are enormous. That's it for today's episode of Crypto Beta. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'll see you next time.